Ever wondered how to use WhatsApp on an old smartphone without a SIM card? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get WhatsApp up and running on your old device, even without a SIM card. This way, you can give new life to your old phone and stay connected with friends and family. The first thing you need to do is to ensure you have an old mobile smartphone. You'll also need access to a Wi-Fi network and a phone number with WhatsApp activated on another device for verification purposes. Next, enter the phone number that is activated with WhatsApp on another device. Make sure you enter the correct number as you'll receive a verification code via SMS. You'll receive the verification code via SMS on the other mobile. Enter the code into the WhatsApp application and click on the Next button. WhatsApp will now attempt to verify the code and activate your account. If the code is correct, WhatsApp will successfully verify your phone number and activate your account. You'll then be prompted to set up your profile by entering your name and optionally adding a profile picture. Congratulations! You've successfully set up WhatsApp on your old smartphone without a SIM card.